This custom modern farmhouse sitting on 4.01 level acres is a must-see. Home features 3/4 of an inch hardwood flooring throughout both levels of the home, custom porcelain tile in all 4.5 bathrooms. This home has an awesome open floor plan great for entertaining, grand entry foyer west/soaring ceilings, formal dining room with a custom accent wall and a see-through fireplace looking into formal living room. Formal living room offers coffered ceilings, a custom accent wall and oversized sliding glass doors overlooking the beautiful covered rear porch. Home features chef's kitchen with a huge kitchen island west/granite countertops, top-of-the-line Z-line appliances, an abundance of custom cabinetry with remote under-mounted lighting. 11 by 08 Butlers pantry west/custom cabinetry and granite countertops. Large primary bedroom suite which features completely custom tiled primary bathroom west/double vanities, large walk-in shower west/multiple shower heads, freestanding acrylic soaking tub, and water closet, huge walk-in closet/dressing room west/custom built in California style shelving/cabinets and an exterior door to covered rear porch. Interior features also include oversized utility room west/custom cabinets and granite countertops west/an oversized sink. Upstairs feature 2 separate rec rooms. First rec room is 27 by 24, second rec room is 24 by 23 which could be used as a media room. Upstairs also includes a wet bar area, a full bathroom and an office or flex room. Outside features a large covered front porch and a huge covered rear porch both with custom cedar plank ceilings, tinted, and stamped concrete driveway, sidewalks and patio. Oversized 2-car side entry garage. There is plenty of space for a detached garage or workshop if desired. Too much to list. This is a must-see luxury property.